Meron pong social media post recently si former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, and I would like to read his post, and I quote, "My crystal ball tells me that they have decided to move against VP Sara and may soon impeach her. They are in for the wrath of the people. Good luck." Meron po ba kayong naririnig na nagpaplano ng impeachment? Have you heard of any impeachment thing or issue dito po sa House of Representatives, since dito naman po talaga manggagaling ang impeachment? Or would you like to comment on former spokes Roque's social media post? Thank you po.
Thank you. Ako kasi dalawa yung crystal balls ko. Crystal balls yung akin. Dalawa. Pero parang wala naman po akong nakikita na ganon. Tinignan ko yung left, tinignan ko yung right. Parang wala naman po. We're sticking to the facts. Of course, we're sticking to the issues in the House of Representatives. At wala naman pong ganyan na napag-uusapan. So, baka kailangan medyo madumi yung crystal ball. Kailangan na linisan ng konti. Thank you.